In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in or create Perplexity AI account. By the end, you'll be fully set up and ready to explore what Perplexity can do for you. First, open your web browser and go to the official Perplexity website. Make sure you're on the real site and that the page has fully loaded before moving on. On the home page, look for the Continue button and click it. This takes you straight into the sign-in flow, where you can either sign in to an existing account or set up a new one as you go. Next, choose how you want to log in. Perplexity lets you use your email or sign in with Apple, Facebook, or Microsoft. Click the option that fits you best. After you click your selected account, follow the on-screen prompts. If you're using email, sign in securely with your credentials. If you're using Apple, Facebook, or Microsoft, you may be asked to confirm your identity or approve access. Just review what's shown and continue. Take a moment to read any prompts so you understand what you're agreeing to before you proceed. Once you're signed in, Perplexity may show you a few plan suggestions, including a pro option. If you'd like to try the free experience first, you can skip this part for now and subscribe later. Skipping does not limit your ability to get started. It simply means you can upgrade whenever you're ready. If you already know you want the pro features, you can choose a plan here and complete the upgrade. After that, you're in. This is where the fun begins. You'll see a message box or search bar where you can type what you need. Perplexity is great for quick answers and deeper research. Start by writing your message clearly, state your goal, add a little context, and mention any constraints you have. For example, if you're working on something for your business, you might ask for market overviews, comparisons, or step-by-step outlines tailored to your industry. You can also search for specific topics, ask for explanations in plain language, or request examples to make complex ideas easier to understand. As you explore, keep your prompts specific to get more precise results. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine your question or add details. Short follow-ups work well, and you can build on previous responses to narrow in on what you need. And that's it. You've gone to the Perplexity website, clicked Continue, signed in with your chosen account, reviewed plan options, and you're now ready to explore features, type your message, or search for exactly what matters to you.